Want to build muscle naturally and fast? Forget the shortcuts and focus on what really works. Here are 20 science-backed ways to pack on size. First, prioritize progressive overload. You must gradually lift heavier or do more reps. Your muscles won't grow unless you give them a reason to. Track your workouts and push your limits safely. Next, focus on compound movements. Squats, deadlifts, and bench presses recruit multiple muscle groups at once, stimulating more growth and natural hormone release. You also need to eat in a slight caloric surplus. Aim for about 200 to 300 extra calories a day. This gives your body the fuel it needs to build new muscle tissue without adding too much fat. Of course, protein is key. Get around 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of your body weight daily. Spread it out across your meals with sources like chicken, eggs, and beans. Never underestimate sleep. Your muscles repair and grow while you rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours every night. It's non-negotiable for recovery. Stress is a muscle killer. High cortisol levels break down muscle tissue. Manage stress with hobbies, meditation, or just a walk outside. A calm mind builds a strong body. Train each muscle group twice a week. This frequency is proven to be more effective for growth than hitting a muscle just once. And when you train, use perfect form. Slow, controlled movements ensure the target muscle is doing the work, which builds a stronger mind-muscle connection and prevents injury. Hydration is simple but powerful. Your muscles are mostly water, and even slight dehydration can tank your performance. Drink 2 to 3 liters daily. Also, be careful not to overtrain. More isn't always better. Listen to your body and take rest days. Recovery is when the magic happens. Focus on whole foods. Your body performs best on natural nutrients from meats, fruits, and vegetables. And don't forget, healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil. They support hormone production. Always warm up properly to boost blood flow and reduce injury risk. A good warm-up leads to a better workout. Finally, be patient and consistent. Natural muscle building is a marathon, not a sprint. Track your progress, celebrate small wins, and enjoy the journey of getting stronger every day. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to building the physique you want, all naturally. And the link below is something that can help you reach your goal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness advice.